Hi everyone, welcome to Share Classes. In this video, construct incircle of an equilateral triangle whose length of each side 7.5 centimeters. So please watch the video till the end. Let's start the video.
Okay, first off, I'll draw a line segment of length 7.5 centimeters. So this is a line segment of length 7.5 centimeters. Again, drawing a line segment of length 7.5 centimeters. Labeling here point B and here C. Now measuring the length 7.5 centimeters with the help of compass by this way, putting the compass on the point B and drawing an arc. Again with same length, putting the compass on the point C and draw an arc. Labeling here point A. Joining points A and B. And joining points AC. Therefore, it is the required equilateral triangle of each side 7.5 centimeters. Next, bisecting the angle B with the help of compass. Putting the compass on the point B and taking any radius and draw an arc. Now, putting the compass here and taking same radius, draw an arc. With same length, putting the compass here, draw an arc. So joining this, and it is a bisector of the angle B. Next, we have to bisect angle C by similar way, putting the compass on the point C and drawing arcs by this way. Now joining this, and it is a bisector of the angle C. Here both bisectors intersect at a point O. Now we have to draw a perpendicular line from the point O to the line BC. Putting the compass on point O and taking any length by this way and draw an arc. With same length, putting the compass here and draw an arc. Again with same length, putting the compass here and draw an arc. Okay, now joining this. It meets at a point D. Perfect. Now considering OD as a radius of the incircle and make a round. So this is the required incircle of the equilateral triangle of length of each side 7.5 centimeters. Now measuring the length of radius of the incircle is 2.1 centimeters approximately. Therefore, the length of radius of the incircle is 2.1 centimeters approximately. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please subscribe channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.